Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay, so today's video is going to be a video about how I quickly get ready every day, like my everyday type of makeup that doesn't involve any foundation. So to start out, I started out with a clean face. This is how it's looking. So I exfoliated, and then I used my African soap, and then I just put on some cocoa butter. And this is what happened. I have a few blemishes, but we ain't gonna mind that. Also, I did my eyebrows before I turned the camera on. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then I do have an eyebrow tutorial that you need to go watch. Okay, so like I said, the first thing I did was my eye breezies. Now I want to add some highlight to my face because I want to be glowing. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome. So that's the highlighter. I'm just take some and I'm going to just do a little bit on my face. I don't need a lot, just a little glow. Yeah. And then I'm going to take some on my finger, put some on the tip of my nose, like that. Then I'm also going to put some on my cupid bow. Yes, hunt. So for my eyes, I'm going to put some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey on them, just because I don't like how dark my eyelids are. So this is also what I use to conceal underneath of my eyebrows, in case anybody was wondering. And just take my finger . Ooh, sis, we did too much. We took a little bit too much. Now I'm gonna get some eyelashes and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, now I'm back with my lashes on, so I'm gonna take some mascara and we just gonna blend them together. Okay, so before this video, I exfoliated my lips and I also put on Carmex. So now I wiped off my Carmex. I'm going to put on some lip gloss. Now, depending on you and your mood, you can leave it glossy or you can add a color, a light color. And that's what I'm going to do. Let me find it first. So since my other lipstick just happened to magically disappear, I'm going to use this one. It is the Wet n Wild Bare It All. And I'm going to just give it a little nude tint. And I do this after I put the lip gloss on, just because on days like this, I don't want it to be a bold nude. I want it to be like, you know, a glossy type of nude, like subtle. I'm gonna take some more gloss. I love gloss, as you can see. And then I'm going to take this lip gloss by Black Radiance. Just giving it a little bit of shimmer. So yes, this is the look. Nothing fancy at all. This is usually how I go out looking most of the time. It's just something quick when you want to get yourself together, but you don't feel like going through a full beat. You just do something quick and simple, and so this is what I do. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out your screen right where the subscribe button is, and you might as well just hit the notification bell, because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict. Okay? Okay. Adios.